Hello, welcome to the Great Indian Dhaba, and I am told it's like Namawojoro, like how you see our Rolex tolls now. That means, oh, okay, there's Wuto, hot, real stuff. So the Great Indian Dhaba, I am told, means a roadside food store. Now I'm excited. This is Chef Chand. So finally, it's not a sing. Every time I go, I meet a sing, and then of course we do have the manager.
Yes. My name is Ajay Rupapura.
Oh, yeah, that's the name. He's actually great with entertainment columns, and now he does review food in the Daily Monitor. Joining us is Andrew Kagwa, this time to review the Indian Dhaba together. Welcome aboard.
I come back.
This steady. So what exactly are we going to cook?
Chicken sizzling. Sizzling chicken.
Oh, sizzling chicken.
Yeah. I'm putting chopped onion. And I'm frying like brown.
Much second. So now the chef has made all these things in 5 minutes in a very short time. Sawa ya kulia. So we're going to go over the table, meet my partners in crime, and of course Andrew and I will be reviewing the food today. So we share with you the experience of the Great Indian Dhaba. Remember, that means roadside food store. All right, thank you so much for sticking with us and for keeping it locked here on Enoch and Jackie, the series Top Places to Eat in Kampala. Now, we just came from Chef Chan's zone. She showed us so much. Now we're back on the streets. Here, when you come to Kampala, you find Rolex, you find Ebi Wowolo. This here, what we're gonna see, pan-puri. Is that what it is? Pan-puri. So we're gonna be learning how to taste Indian street food, authentic Indian street food. Now the chef has a really interesting name. It's called The Beasts.
Today I'm going to make India's best street food. That one called is pan-puri and it's called also Jinja.
Pan-puri. Sweet and sour, but it's nice. So this is our street stall right here at the Great Indian Dhaba, Wampewo Avenue. Everything you expect to get on the street in India and a traditional street down there, my brother is there. Thank you for watching Enoch and Jackie series Top Places to Eat in Kampala, the Great Indian Dhaba. Roadside street food, whatever you want to call it. It's totally authentic, it's totally Indian. And of course, this is AJ, the manager. In every place you find something totally unique to them. And apart from the street food, their naan is awesome, the food and everything is great. But if there's one thing you must come for, at least come for a chicken lollipop at the Great Indian Dhaba. The food is really awesome. I am yet to test the chicken biryani. It does look really, really good.
I loved the presentation earlier on. I know people did not see that, but the presentation was super amazing. Yes, I'm loving the whole experience, and yes.
Now, did you know that every Sunday you can come for brunch at the Great Indian Dhaba? It's right here on Wampewo Avenue. Now, what's interesting, it's like unlimited food. All you can eat on a Sunday afternoon for just 37,000. So all you need is to come with yourself an empty stomach and have a good time and maybe a good date, and you have yourself a good meal. Enoch, as always, featuring silently. He's testing the food and enjoying it. Spanora Media, thank you guys for a great job. Bill Flakes, thank you, Ellie. And we do appreciate the job you are doing.